The Trans-Arctic Underwater Highway, a marvel of 22nd century engineering, allows for year-round global trade.
Can humans dig under the ocean?
The Arctic Circle, 2077. A monumental effort against the elements. Dangerous currents shown.
The soft seabed layers of the Arctic present unique challenges for deep-water infrastructure.
The immense pressure of the Arctic deep sea proves too much for the titanium alloy, resulting in a catastrophic implosion.
The structural integrity readings are fluctuating. We have to initiate the failsafe.
But the model said we had more time. Look at the data.
Cost counter starts. Timeline shows decades of delay.
These geothermal readings are unacceptable. We agreed on the output.
The instability is localized. We cannot halt phase 2 over a minor fluctuation.
We've analyzed the data. The window is open.
All right, let's initiate the primary drill sequence. It's time to try again.
For innocence, we must ensure the structural integrity
Of the main supports under the projected snow load.
The current shielding is insufficient for that.
The seismic readings confirm the stability here. We can begin excavation within the month. Chalk marl layer highlighted.
The Arctic Tribore represents a monumental leap forward in sustainable, large-scale engineering. The rail-only concept represents the pinnacle of large-scale engineering in a cold Arctic environment.
The thermal exchange rate is holding steady at 98%.
Good. We need to monitor the ice buildup on intake 3.
All right, everyone, keep moving. We need an accurate count before seal. Move it!
Budget approved, $15 billion. Construction green light.
When viewed against the scale of human endeavor, the sheer magnitude of the Arctic geothermal project becomes breathtaking.
Machines lowered underground. Power systems activated.
The Borealis Alpha 7 represents a monumental leap forward in subsurface engineering. Countdown begins. First dig starts.
We're hitting unexpected resistance at Sector Gamma.
Reroute the coolant and increase torque by 10%.
This is the next generation of seabed pressure meters, designed to withstand the crushing depths of the Arctic.
Deep within the Arctic Circle, this colossal system transports the vital slurry across hundreds of miles of frozen tundra.
Drone deployed. Moving to the tertiary conduit.
Acknowledged. Check for ice buildup on the coupling.
Phase 1 of the geothermal core is now 88% complete, signaling a new era for Arctic habitation.
Initiate the cooling flush sequence immediately.
Acknowledged. Running the sequence now.
The structural integrity is failing on level 7.
We need to reroute power now, or we lose the whole section.
Outer perimeter stabilized. Wind speeds dropping to acceptable levels.
Acknowledged. We weathered the storm. Resume normal operations. Deep beneath the Arctic ice, the UK-France Arctic link set.
A monumental achievement. The geothermal core is now accessible, promising clean energy for centuries.
It's a solid plan.
Agreed. This facility will change everything.
We did it! It's finally complete!
To the future!
A monumental achievement, Doctor.
Indeed. The Arctic is now open.
The alignment on segment 4 at 4 is drifting by 0.2 degrees.
Compensating now. The geothermal sensors are stable.
We have a stable readout on the conduit flux.
Acknowledged. Keep monitoring that thermal signature at joint 72. built to withstand the relentless winds and shift ice. These exits represent
This facility represents the next generation of Arctic engineering, harnessing geothermal energy deep beneath the ice sheet.
Pressure holding steady at the critical threshold.
Acknowledged. Telemetry confirms system integrity.
The harmonics are well within tolerance.
Noted. The structure performed as expected.
The largest cold weather infrastructure project ever conceived is now fully operational.
With the activation of this array, we are one step closer to a cleaner future for all. Thank you.
This project is more than just steel and ice. It is a testament to human ingenuity, providing clean power to...
Traveling at over 1,000 kilometers an hour, the Trans-Arctic Express represents the pinnacle of sustainable engineering in extreme environments.
This is absolutely breathtaking. The scale of the engineering is just incredible.
The Trans-Arctic Highway, a marvel of modern engineering, allows these massive convoys to...
As the data shows, this facility has boosted resource output by 20%. The Trans-Arctic Maglev system represents a new era of global trade.
Welcome to the future of exploration. This massive engineering feat allows
The world watches as this monumental achievement redefines our future.
This cross-section reveals the massive scale of the Frozen Core project, utilizing both cryogenic and geothermal systems. The deep core thermometers are holding steady despite the surface blizzard. Power output remains at 98% efficiency.
Billions transported across the Arctic, a triumph of large-scale engineering.
Compared to bridges, the Trans-Arctic Maglev system offers unprecedented speed and efficiency in this environment.
Spanning the Arctic Circle, this megastructure represents the next leap in global connectivity.
Beneath the Arctic ice, the next generation of infrastructure is taking shape.
Are the thermal regulators on the upper bracing stable at this temperature?
Yes, the schematics confirm optimal performance even with the current delta.